So I spent weeks building Claude skills that completely change how you make content. These skills help you make motion graphics like this, edit your videos, design Instagram carousels like this, and a lot more. You no longer need long, complex prompts, just install them once and you're ready to go. And I'm giving away all of them for completely free, so you can start using them right away. All I ask in return is for you to drop a like on this video. Now let me show you how they work. Before anything else, you need to install these skills. Just download the zip file from the link in the description and extract it. Open Claude, go to Customize, then Skills, hit the plus button and create skill. Click Upload a skill and upload each file one by one. 30 seconds and you are done. Now let's use them. Animations like this used to cost me a fortune to outsource, and this skill changes that completely. Once it is installed, Claude already knows how to build cinematic animations like this. So first, just activate the skill by typing this, and then all you need to do is take a line from your video script, drop it in with this prompt and hit send, and we get a complete ready to use prompt. Now I select the Opus 4.8 model, drop this exact prompt that we just got, and wait a couple of minutes, and we get this. Since it comes out as an HTML file, you have two options. You can screen record it directly in your browser or use a simple HTML to MP4 converter. Now, if you need animation for a vertical short form content, just use this prompt instead. Same process, just drop your script in, get the prompt back, select Opus 4.8, and a couple of minutes later, you get this. Now, this next one is going to find you viral content ideas in minutes. I use this every single day for my own Instagram content, and it is a big reason some of my posts hit 600,000 likes, like this one right here. And I also have other posts that are performing just as well. And to find ideas for all of these posts, I always use this skill. This one works a little differently from the skills that we just installed. Instead of a file, we connect it directly to Claude as a live data source. Because if you go to Claude and ask what is trending in your niche, it just makes stuff up. It has no real data on social media landscape. But you can fix that by connecting Claude to Verlo. Verlo tracks over 4 million pieces of short form content across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts in real time, and it takes 2 minutes to connect it with Claude. Go to the first link in the description and log into Verlo. Head to API keys, generate a new key, then open Claude, go to settings, connectors, add custom connector, paste the Verlo URL, hit connect, paste your key, and authorize. That is genuinely it. Let's say I want to find what is actually performing right now in the self-improvement niche. So I would just type something like this and hit send, and look at what comes back. These are not some made up ideas. These are real posts with real view counts and real breakdowns of why each one worked. It shows you the hook, the angle, and why it performed so well. This one, for example, has 7.9 million views on an account with just 27,000 followers, which is a clear outlier. And down here, Verlo breaks down the patterns across all of the top performers. And you can find content ideas for nearly every major niche, so you will genuinely never run out of ideas. I can just switch from self-improvement to travel niche and get the same real-time data instantly. And instead of spending hours scrolling trying to figure out what content works in your niche, you just connect Verlo to Claude and get real data in seconds. You can top up your Verlo balance for as low as $10 and start using it right away. The Verlo link and all the skills from this video are in the description down below. So now we have a proven content idea with real data behind it. Let me show you how to turn it into a full carousel using the next skill. First, we turn the Verlo idea into a full slide outline. So let's activate the carousel skill and then drop this prompt. The hook we're gonna use is basically already done because Verlo told us it works. I just changed it a little bit with Claude and went back and forth a couple of times on the rest of the slides until I had the final result. This is where the carousel skill came in and handled all of that for me. Now, the question you're probably asking right now is, how did I make these photos look that real? So this is where the GPT Image 2 prompt skill comes in. Find 10 to 20 reference photos that match the vibe and aesthetic you want to go for. Activate the GPT Image 2 prompt skill and just drop all your reference images into Claude with this prompt. Then I take those prompts straight into GPT Image 2 and drop them in one by one. And look, I'm gonna be real with you. Not all of them are going to come out usable. Okay, some are going to look slightly off, but if you generate 20 at once, at least 5 are going to be exactly what you need. Just keep generating until you get the ones that work. GPT Image 2 is completely free to use in your browser, so no extra subscription is needed. Once you have your visuals, take the outline Claude built, drop your hook and value text into each slide, and you have a full carousel ready to post. Okay, so this next skill is going to save you a lot of time. Look, I don't know a single creator who enjoys this part. You finish recording, you're feeling good about it, and then you open the timeline and it's full of silence parts that you have to cut out. And you spend the next 2 hours clicking through, removing every single one. So let's activate the video editor skill by typing this. And what the skill does is you drop a raw footage into Claude Cowork and you say, edit this video and remove all silent parts longer than 0.5 seconds. And that's it. You need Cowork for this one specifically because you can't upload actual video files into Claude in the browser. So just download Claude Cowork, open it, drop the video file that you want to edit, and send that prompt. Just make sure the file you're using is in MP4 format. Anything else and the audio syncing is going to be off. And it just starts working on it. 10 minutes later, here's what we get. Plan your day the night before. Go to sleep and wake up at the same time. Plan your day the night before. Go to sleep and wake up at the same time. Clean file with all of the silences removed. You know these clean visuals you see in YouTube videos where somebody is explaining some sort of concept and there is just a polished graphic on screen that perfectly illustrates what they are saying. Those visuals used to take me 20 minutes to make every single time. And I'm talking just one visual. Now I just activate the static visual skill, take the line from my script where I need a visual, drop it into Claude and type create a clean static visual for this part of my script. And then you just paste your script in these brackets. And in a couple of minutes, we get this. And if you need the same visual for vertical content, just add one line for this prompt, which explains that you want a different format this time. And now we have both formats ready to go. You can do this for every single part of your video that needs a visual, and you end up with a full library of graphics ready to use before you even sit down to edit. Another cool thing you can do is literally turn that static visual you just generated into a full-blown motion graphic animation. Just type, I want to turn this static visual into a motion graphic animation, and Claude will generate a prompt you can take straight into Opus 4.8. Open a new chat, select the Opus 4.8 model, drop in the prompt, and in a couple of minutes, you get a full-blown animation for your static visual. And if you want, you can do the same thing with all other static visuals that you generate. Honestly, it's crazy how fast AI is moving right now, and we're just getting started. If this saved you any time, make sure to subscribe because I'm building more of these skills and sharing them with you for free. And if you want to see more of what Claude can do for your content, make sure to watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.